Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of the Traxxas UDRebuild, UD Rebirth. You tell me what you like better. We've got the truck ready to go already, but we're not ready for that yet. We've got some more rebuilding to show you. So here we go, jump right back in to the rear diff rebuild on the UDR. Okay, look at this. Okay, so we got the rear diff open now. That is pretty gross. Let's split this case and see what's inside. Oh, look, it's gross too. So this is gonna need a nice wipe down and cleaning, and then we're gonna pull that planetary apart and see how the inside looks. We'll give it another re-grease and put her back together. So we've got this taken apart. Now take a look at these guys. Look at all the little teeth, chips out of the teeth. So what happened with Aaron's truck at one point is the rear bearing seized up in the planetary and it took out a bearing. And obviously you see all the little chips. That's from all the little balls in those bearings. So these planetary gears are in fairly rough shape. Now we did replace the ring a while ago. So you can see the teeth in the ring are all still beautiful. There might be a few little nicks there. No, that's just some dirt. So actually I had 4 brand new planetary gears here from my old UDR. So we're going to throw those in with that used ring, and the bearings are all still good, and she should be good. Let's put her together. Got her all together there. I'm going to take our little grease tube here, throw a few little dabs inside here. Now the rear, we can put like a little bit more in because like, honestly, we're going to be taking this rear apart fairly often. So that's how many we're going to put in there. And then we're going to throw the cover on it. Give her some spins. Oh yeah, that sounds good. Sweet. Now we're gonna put some screws in it and start putting it back in the truck. So there we go. We've got the planetary all back in there, tightened up, rear diff in there, little smudge outer butter on there to keep everything lubricated and greased up through the winter. Now we're gonna throw it back into the rear diff here and start maybe putting this truck together and making it look like a UDR again, because like right now it's just a pile of parts. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The chassis has been cleaned and wiped. It's looking much nicer. The rear diff's been rebuilt. The transmission's been redone. Front diff's been checked. I didn't put any grease in the front diff. I did pull the cover. It is full, so I'm not going to do anything with that. The shocks are rebuilt. You didn't get to see me put oil in them, but I mean, I use 50 weight. Pretty basic putting oil in the shocks. So much oil, that was full. So now here comes the fun part of putting everything back together. So, for me, RC Deebs, Mr. Chris, thanks for tuning in. I hope you might have learned a few things about the UDR. Maybe if you're looking at getting one, maybe this changed your mind to buy one, or maybe not buy one. But I mean, in my opinion, this is one of the best trucks that's on the market right now for scale, for style of driving, for realism. And like, just look at it, guys. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you on the next one.